Hey everybody, Dr. Rob Marsh here, Red Mill Chiropractic. This week, Dr. Lowell and I want to bring some tips to you on things that you could be cooking with or supplements that you could be taking that are going to help boost your immunity, create a healthier body for you, especially during these times when our health is at its utmost importance. So today I'm going to be talking about olive oil. Now, olive oil obviously is a common oil that a lot of people are cooking with already, but it's definitely something that we want to make sure that we're cooking with into the future as well. People typically hear olive oil and you know that there are cardiovascular benefits. It's really good for the heart. But a lot of people don't realize that olive oil has really great antioxidant qualities. So when we talk about antioxidants, these are things that are going to fight off free radicals. So when we're dealing with things like cellular damage, oxidative stress, these are all negative impacts on the body. Olive oil is going to serve as a great antioxidant, help fight off a lot of those free radicals. So when you're cooking, try to avoid vegetable oils, palm oils, corn oils. Those definitely are not going to be healthy for you. You want to focus on as much cooking with olive oil as possible. That is going to be obviously heart healthy for you, but also serve as a strong antioxidant to fight off those free radicals, keep you as healthy as possible, and keep your immune system functioning at its highest levels, especially during these times. So hopefully that helps, and we will talk to you soon. Take care.